Today I'm going to make sweet and sour pork. So we're gonna start with our vegetable. Use half of the bell pepper, and the same with the red one. I'm just only use half. This thing here out. Go. This is a butt shoulder, about this side or so. Okay. Mixing bowl, and we're gonna marinate this pork in a bit. This is salt, sugar, chicken bouillon, garlic powder, and then black pepper. Mix it up. While our meat is marinating, we are going to make the sweet and sour sauce and the batter for the deep fried pork. Water. This is sugar, cornstarch, soy sauce, red food color to make it that red color. 1, 2. Let's do 2 drops. I'm gonna turn my heat on medium, and we're gonna stir this until it becomes thick. I almost forgot the rice vinegar. So I need a little bit of salt, so I'm gonna add some salt in here. So now our sauce is done. I have a self-rising flour and a cornstarch, 1 egg. Let's mix it. Water. And mixed. So it's like this kind of texture. Okay. So here was my marinated pork. I'm gonna put in with my batter. So mix this with the batter. So it's bubbling, so it's ready. Pork. I'm gonna fry this and become golden brown. So I'm done, so I'm just gonna remove it. Okay, I'm getting ready to double fry this. So before I double fry, I'm gonna remove all the crumb out from my oil. Double fry it to make it extra crispy. When I double fry the pork, it's like dark brown like this. See how this one's a little bit dark brown, and this one's light brown. You can hear the sound. It's crispy. Okay. So I'm gonna refry the vegetable a little bit. Just gonna mash the vegetable. So all done. All in there. Depends how sweet you guys want it. You're gonna add a lot or less. It's to your preference, okay? This in here. Add in the vegetable. The pineapple. Then you're gonna cook this until the pineapple becomes soft. Okay, so it's about done. Okay, so my sweet and sour pork is done. Delicious. So in today's video, you learn how to marinate the pork, and you know how to make the batter, and you also know how to make the sweet and sour sauce. Yeah, this is a big thing right here. And give this recipe a try. It's pretty good. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.